Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add features or markers as you call it in the Google Maps on the KMG file that you have recently uploaded. You can find a link to a video tutorial on how to upload a KMG file into your Google Maps in description below. Adding a feature or marker in the layer will help you find the exact location of the feature in the field. A picture of the feature can also be uploaded that will be saved into the layers. So let's get started. Open web browser and go to the maps.google.com and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the uploaded maps by clicking your places and selecting maps. Click open in my maps, which is opened in a new tab where you can edit your layer. Click on add marker. This will change the cursor to a plus sign. Click on the location where you would want to add the feature. Once you click, in a pop-up will show up where you can change the name or add the name to the feature. I'm gonna call it a 66-inch butterfly valve, and you can also add a description. On the bottom right there is a camera icon which you can click and open so that you can upload a picture as well. Once the picture is uploaded, you can save the marker and it will be saved into your layer. I am quickly going to show you the complete list of markers I added for one of the layers that I recently uploaded. You also have a capability of grouping the markers together so that it will help counting the total number of similar features. You can scroll through the individual markers and click them to view their geolocation. This is one of the most powerful functionality within Google Maps. And this is how you add features into your Google Map layer. Thank you for watching.